Mastering Python's write and write-lines methods is crucial for effective file handling. These methods allow data to be stored permanently, ensuring it remains accessible after program execution. This capability is vital for generating reports, saving user input, and exporting analysis results, enhancing data persistence and system integration across various applications. File writing is crucial for permanent data storage, allowing information to persist beyond program execution. It facilitates system integration, essential for logging and inter-program communication. Additionally, writing files supports output generation, enabling the saving of user input, report generation, and exporting analysis results for future use. Begin by initializing a file object in write or append mode using the open function. Transfer data using write for strings or write lines for lists. Ensure data integrity by closing the file with close, or, preferably, using context managers to handle errors and resource management efficiently. The file writing process involves opening a file in the correct mode, writing data using methods like write or write lines, and closing the file to ensure data integrity and resource management. Proper closure, especially with context managers, is crucial to prevent data loss and free system resources efficiently. Python offers various file writing modes. U mode creates or truncates files, erasing previous content. A mode appends data, preserving existing content. X mode exclusively creates new files, raising an error if the file exists. W+, A+, and R+X modes allow simultaneous read and write access, combining functionalities. The write method writes a single string to a file, returning the number of characters written. For multiple lines, use write lines, which accepts an iterable of strings. Note, neither method adds new lines automatically. Both are essential for efficient file writing in Python, offering flexibility in handling different data formats.